we're going to teach you how to measure the weight of your pig using a tape measure.
Okay, thank you so much. We're going to measure the weight of a pig using a tape measure. And this is done in two things. The first one is what we call the length. And the length is always from the tail to the ear pinna down here. Then we have what we call the grid, the head grid, which is always the circumference of the pig. So we are going to be starting with our measurements straight away. We are going to start with our measurements straight away. So our measurement is 1 meter and 40 centimeters. So in our measurement we have 1 meter and 40 centimeters. Our length is equals to 1 meter, which is the same as 1.4 meters. Now let us go to our head grid, which is the circumference of the pig. The circumference of the pig is 1 meter and 20 centimeters. The head grid equals to 1 meter and 20 centimeters, which is the same as 1.2 meters. So now in our calculation, we calculate it this way. We always square the head grid. The head grid is always squared. Then we multiply by the length, and we multiply by 69.3, which is a constant that is always used in order to find the weight. So when you look here, the head grid here we are having is 1.2 meters. So we shall say 1.2 meters squared times our length is 1.4, which is 1.4 meters. Finally, with our constant, which is 69.3. Now this one we can expand it as 1.2 times 1.2, then times this one, the length, which is 1.4, then times 69. So when we press this on our calculator, we shall multiply 1.2 times the second 1.2 times 1.4 times 69.3. So this will give us 139.71 kilograms. So this gives us the weight of our pig. Thank you so much.
So